right. Hey everyone!
Hey everyone!
Yes, welcome to this another Menti challenge. I don't know what is it like coincidence, but physics and chemistry are having a lot of challenges now very frequently.
Yeah, so that was for grade 7, now this is for grade 10. This is our first session together for grade 10, sir.
Yes, so all the 10th graders, welcome to this Menti challenge. You had your individual sessions, today it's a challenge. Means you are done with the first round. This is like the second round of the unit test league, the UTL we are playing nowadays, right? So, what is today?
So
what is special today?
Prelims are over.
Yeah, prelims are over.
Things are serious now, students. So today we have one chapter from physics, we have one chapter from chemistry, and for you, it's like 2 chapters that you have to attempt, right? So yes, you have to answer quickly, correctly, the physics reflection and refraction. The chemistry chapter is chemical reactions and equations. We've told you the syllabus, but I hope you all are super prepared for this one.
Yes. It's a chemical reaction and equation versus light Menti challenge. It's a torch versus conical flask challenge, right? So, people, let us know first of all, are we clearly audible and visible? Because let's just get all these formalities done very quickly. Come on.
Let the conical flask win.
These questions we create. Sometimes we take them here and there. We change them according to what you have learned. We change their difficulty level. That's how these tests are prepared, right? They are prepared, I would say, they are more like personalized kind of test, depending on you, what kind of things you have taught, what level you should be taking the test of. That's how these questions are made. Nice, audible and visible. Very good, very good. All right.
And I think that's the right way to go. So we focused on 2. First, the kind of questions you go wrong with, and the second is the kind of questions you should definitely know the answers for. So these are the 2 categories that we've made a Menti quiz for all of you.
Yes, true. कोई नहीं, it's okay, Disha. Focus on 11th.
Sir, Disha को convince कर दो आप कि join कर ले.
नहीं, Disha is more focused on 11th. Hard. It's a good mix, I would say.
Well, it depends on... Good mix. And depends on your preparation. If
Yes.
you're very well prepared, I think they'll find all then. Ma'am, your voice is... Can we do something about this?
All right, people. So meanwhile, we are clearing this out. Because yes, slightly it's breaking. I can also sense it. But chalega. Meanwhile, let's just... You know the code, right? By the way, the Menti code. See, it's a Menti challenge. So you have to obviously log on to Menti. So please write down the code.
Yes, you can go to menti.com 8131896. Come on. Quickly, guys. Log in. And please let me know if I'm properly audible now. Some changes, I hope it's perfectly clear now.
Yes, people, please.
Because otherwise, if my voice will keep breaking in between, sir would convince you to win. So I have to make sure that my voice is also perfectly reaching all of you.
No. I think children are now towards science now. And now you know, right? Physics versus chemistry, we just say it because for the sake of saying it. Otherwise, it's more like you should learn and you should try and answer every question correctly. Yeah, slightly it's lagging, but let's see who wins. From our side, so we have given you everything. Now it's on you. Okay. बस हम साइंस की तरफ से हैं. Very good, Vikas. All right, people. So you know about this. Yesterday was the last day, and as you remember, yesterday we were together on the channel. We did a live on Sunday because that was the last day. From today we are back to normal. अब पैसा लगेगा, but still you can try if you want.
So I think advantage chalege, but opportunity is still there. You can still go check out all the premium features. And the cost is really low. 199 rupees mein you can check out something really amazing. So definitely our recommendation is ki try karo. Ek session try karo, if not more. I think they can always start with a single session.
Yeah, people who haven't tried it yet, go ahead, try it out. And yes, Prem, mine also. I've told this to you last time also. So yes, YT free gaya. But still, people who haven't tried it yet, go ahead, try it out. Still, it's something that I know free was the best.
Free was
Koi
the
nahi.
best.
Go ahead, try it out and let us know. And meanwhile, people just keep logging in. Anybody facing any problem in Menti, just let us know right here, right now. Yes, history, Shala. It's for premiums also.
So yes, you know the drill by now. You've given the prelims. Ab to pro ho gaye ho aap log. You know the drill. Write your name, phone number, pin code, grade, all the details. Especially your name and phone number needs to be accurate. So don't put all funky names here in Menti. It's fun, but for this unit test league, we need to have proper, it's like a unique identification for us. So use the same name that you've been using, use the same phone number that you're using, and put the details perfectly fine.
Yeah, phone number and your name. Try to make it consistent. Don't go too creative. Why always speak English? Natik, English का क्या बोले? ऐसा नहीं है कि I love English a lot. It's just I know what will come towards you in future. That's why we speak English a lot. वरना हिंदी तो देखो हमको भी पसंद है, सच बताएं तो. लेकिन क्या है कि हिंदी आगे ना थोड़ा दिक्कत करता है. तो we should not be afraid of English. ऐसा नहीं है. It's more inclined towards. लेकिन डरना नहीं है. You should be very much comfortable with English also, because in future, a lot of times that it happened with me in college, if I tell you. So I think ma'am also knows this. One day we were talking about. College में we used to be so underconfident sometimes कि अरे यार English अच्छा नहीं है हमारा. So yeah.
Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. You can definitely put the pin out there. And they are saying we are not pro, it's not pro level, it's God level. So okay, that's a good one.
देखो 2-4 वर्ड आते हैं हम लोग सेशन में बोल देते हैं उतना ही है अपना. So don't worry about this. Whatever we talk, it's actually something which you should also know. समझ में तो आना चाहिए कम से कम, है ना? Even if you can't speak the way. Practice है यार. I mean, if you would have seen me 2 years back, I was more like ooh. But yeah, it's okay. So all right, people, chalo, you have filled the form. I can see. So let's see how many people are there.
Okay, so meanwhile, let's just quickly tell them. So we have 16 questions with us. Every alternate question for one subject. So say, suppose we start with chemistry, so the next one would be physics, then chemistry, then physics, and we'll go on like this. So yes, it's physics versus chemistry. You know it by now.
Nice,
Yes,
nice.
so we have 99. Sir, should we wait for one more kid to join to make it a perfect 100?
Yes.
Okay,
How many are
98.
live right now?
I think it's an indication कि start कर दो. कम हो गया तो.
Okay. People, come on, join, है ना, ठीक है? Because if you missed even 1 or 2 questions, you will feel, sir, we were not in the game from the start. So go ahead, join it, thementi.com. You have the code in front of you. Just be there, and you know what? We'll start the session, because once we start, we won't stop in between.
Yes, so we have 105 kids with us.
Nice.
And let's get started. So we'll start with the chemistry question first. So we wish you all the best for all the physics, all the chemistry questions. It's
Yes.
just, we are having physics versus chemistry, but as you all said, we are in one team. We want all of you to score really, really well. So sir, 110 students, let's say of 80 students, minimum 80 students getting all the questions right. Okay?
Yeah. And Anand, you're right. It's science
Start
versus you
करते हैं.
battle. Both important chapters. Answer carefully. Speed plus accuracy, but I would say give more weightage to accuracy. Come on. First question.
Identify the substance which is oxidized and reduced respectively in the given reaction. So one chemical equation is being given to us. You can see hydrogen sulfide with iodine to form hydrogen iodide plus sulfur is there. Which substance is getting oxidized? Find that out. And which substance is getting reduced? I think in case they'll figure out one, the second one is very easy to figure out. And I've given you a lot of hints, a lot of shortcuts to figure out substance oxidized, substance reduced, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Just use all those tactics.
Let's see.
Staircase तो बहुत अच्छा बनाया है, but only 49 of you got the answer right. So 49 kids have marked the correct answer. That was option A. See, let's look at next question. Let me quickly explain you what happened over here. So we had H2S plus iodine, right? Whatever the products are, forget the products. So the first hint was this only, that you need not worry about the products. Your oxidized and reduced substance would be from the reactants only. So you had two reactants. H2S is losing hydrogen, so it's getting oxidized. Iodine, it's gaining hydrogen and forming hydrogen iodine, so it's the substance that getting reduced. And option A was the correct answer. Sir,
Nice.
chat में तो सब A लिख रहे हैं, but menti में नहीं करा.
और पहली चीज chat में आंसर नहीं दे. Nobody gives the answer in the chat. And yes, so today, see, I understand it's a class 10th and both are kind of very important chapters, so it's okay. Try to get everything correct. And this was, I think, a very in oxidation reduction. Even if we don't go into the higher version of it, it was hydrogen only, right? So it was a kind of easier version of oxidation and reduction.
बस catch ही hydrogen था. Gain हो रहा है कि lose हो रहा है. That's all you had to
Yes.
figure out. I think
Oh.
Menti is lagging a bit. You keep a lot of comments are coming.
Menti
That's okay,
is
that happens
lagging.
sometimes.
Okay. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Guys, focus on getting the correct answer and no answering on the chat because it's a test kind of thing. You are asking how you can tell it's a test because we are telling you it's a test. That's why you can tell it's a test. We are noting down all your scores and everything. So people, chalo. Question number 2, the physics question. Which type of mirror is used in torches and car headlights?
I think if they'll figure out the use, they'll be able to figure out the type of mirror also.
Yes. Still, see, it's an easy question, fairly simple question, and no answering in the chat. Divyansh, I'll answer your doubt, don't worry. Nice, very good.
Last 5 seconds. क्या बात है सर 79 नॉट इवन क्लोज मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल गॉड
was a-
लेवल परफॉर्मेंस जो ये कह रहे हैं हम प्रो नहीं हम गॉड लेवल पे हैं.
This was an easy question, I would say. And see, first of all, I'll tell you about mirrors. And the reason you are saying lens, this question could be framed by keeping lens also in mind. In torches, you are saying concave lens. That's true. But you know what? Mirrors are also used. How? You keep the bulb at focus. You keep a mirror over here. From bulb, the rays will go fall on the mirror, become parallel. Same thing. What is your requirement? You want the light to go as far as possible. No, right? So that's why concave mirror was the correct answer. And it's a kind of a very simple and easy use application of concave mirrors we have learned. है ना? Convex lens नहीं रोहा.
आई थिंक सर किड्स आर लाइक स्टेयरकेस तो हमने फिजिक्स में भी बनाया है इट्स जस्ट द हाईएस्ट वन इज वे टू हाई.
Yes.
चलो लेट्स सी the leaderboard quickly. So after 2 questions, like after one set of physics and chemistry questions, we'll show the leaderboard. Yes, sir wins for the first round. Nabha, you're right.
People are just so,
Jatin, Prakhar,
empathetic
Reva.
with physics now that physics usually just loses every time. ठीक है सर, पहला तो जीते आप, पहली बार जीते, कोई बात नहीं.
Everybody's like, thank God, finally.
Yeah, this was an easy question. I accept.
So many of you are there on the leaderboard. Good. Keepal, Dimple, Prince, Siddharth, Abhinav, Bridge, Sneha, Revan, Prakhar, Jatin. Well done. Rest of you, just note your rank. Because it's going to change. I promise it's going to change. After
Yes.
every 2 questions, definitely your rank is going to change. Increase, decrease पे हम comment नहीं कर रहे, change पक्का हो जाएगा.
Change होगा. All right.
Chalo, let's move on. Chemistry questions on your screens now. Which of the following represents the correct balanced chemical equation for the decomposition of limestone? Guys, 4 equations have been given to you. You already know what the reactant is, calcium carbonate. You know the product is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. All you need to figure out is the correct balancing. Just count the number of atoms of every element and pick up the equation wherein you find the equation to be balanced. Come on, chalo, fatafat se.
Yes. And ma'am has given you a hint in a way, if you were not able to notice it, right? Yeah,
They know, sir, what balancing means.
Right, you know. Easy question है भाई, ये तो मेरे को भी आता है. Yes, people, please don't comment the answers. Because, see, if you comment, no, there is a chance that account might get blocked out. है ना? So please don't comment. Hold your emotions for, you know, the timeout.
And let's see, 79 of you have marked option D. Yes, that was the correct answer. So, if you've actually counted the number of atoms of calcium, carbon and oxygen on the reactant and the product side, they were the same in the last equation. And actually, no balancing was required for this one.
Yes. Yeah, Midhansh, that's
वो
kind of
already
true.
balanced था.
अगर मेरे को पता है मतलब that is an easy question. हाँ, रहा नहीं जाता ना, but
Nice.
time out तक रुकना भाई, please. चलो, let's see. Physics question, come on your screen, people. Don't worry about anything else, just answer the question. The measurements are recorded as V equals 25 centimeters. Okay. F equals 10 centimeter using a convex mirror. Now, according to sign convention, which of the following are correct? I won't focus on any word because I am hoping that you would do it, है ना? Any one
Sir,
word in
meanwhile, you
Hindi?
can speak a word in Hindi.
One word क्या?
Divyansh wants to.
मैं पूरा question बोल दूँ
Sir
यार,
said
हिंदी में
chalo.
तुम्हारे. भाई V और U F दिया हुआ है तुमको कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का, साइन कन्वेंशन से बताओ कौन सा करेक्ट है, ठीक है? पूरा स्टेटमेंट लो तुम. जस्ट मेक श्योर you read the in light. I'm telling you, it's very important that you should be able to read the question correctly and not be in a hurry, because I feel if you do that much, no, half of the question is done.
I think in this chapter, light chapter, majorly it's the sign convention only where they make a mistake in numericals.
Yes. अरे शरद, Menti पे you have to answer these questions on Menti, MENTI.com. There you put the code. Code is there on the top of the screen, huh? There.
85131896 फटाफट से आ जाओ. चलो, option D was the correct answer and 69 students could get this one right.
Nice.
Yes.
So convex mirror है. What is the thing about convex mirror? Physics समझ नहीं आती अर्षित, कोई बात नहीं. तो अब ध्यान से सुनो. देखो, दो ही मिरर होते हैं. There are only two mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirror, right? ठीक है. But thing about convex mirror is that they can always form what? A virtual image, a erect image, a diminished image, right? So for a convex mirror कौन सा होता है? Which one is convex mirror? Which has this reflective side. Its focal length is on this side. F will be positive, right? V will also be positive, right?
They're drawing convex mirror in the chat also.
Yes, nice. So
Yes.
convex mirror, that's why. These cases, I'm telling you, you don't have to cram any of these cases. Bhai, concave mirror, sir, concave may we get real also, inverted also, but in one case I get virtual, erect and magnified also, hai na? But convex mirror mein to you always get same thing. F is positive, U is negative because to the left, V is going to be positive, right? So all these things you all know, right?
So I think everything except you would be positive.
Nice. Amazon, you are asking me Amazon, huh? The literal meaning of Amazon, I don't know. I think Amazon is a jungle in Africa. Right? Africa or America? I'm not sure.
Chalo, lead
But
it.
ठीक है.
Yes. So let's see. It has changed. Yes, it has changed. So Siddharth, Jatin, Abhinav, Alisha, Dimple, Charvi, Vaishnavi, Rohan, Tanvi, Aisha. Well done, all of you. I hope you're improving your rank after every set of 2 questions.
Yes, Rohan.
Good. Okay, let's move on. Ma'am or sir, would you please contact the sun because it's getting too much hot and too much garmi is there.
I'm in Bangalore. I'm not able to contact sun for past a month. It's not visible. Only clouds.
We're not able to contact each other, sir, in this session.
Yes.
Such बहुत बात की बात होगी.
Yes, question.
Identify the type of decomposition reaction happening below. Hey, this is by the way a very amazing experiment shorts video that we have on the channel. So I hope you've seen it. Is it thermal decomposition happening, electrolytic decomposition or photolytic decomposition? And I think if you'll actually observe, you'll understand. Plus, of course, if you know the meanings of like thermal, electrolytic, photolytic.
This is also very easy. I would say, I mean, common sense से भी answer हो सकता है, right?
This is the best part of science. We experience it so much around us, na, कि even if we don't know the concept per se, we can always attempt the question. कुछ तो लिख के आ ही सकते हैं.
Video is visible, by the way, because I have also opened Menti. I'm just cross-checking what is coming. So maybe it's some net issue that you are not able to see it, but in the video you can see, no?
Yes. So you can, be there on YouTube and you can see. All right, it was electrolytic decomposition. Electrolysis हो रहा था water का. So with the help of electricity, water is breaking, right, into hydrogen and oxygen, and you can try this at home. You need really basic stuff. Go check out this video that's there on the channel and perform this experiment. I think side by side, keep performing all the interesting experiments that we have in science.
Yes. So all the experiment shots, actually their purpose was that you can try them at home. And I hope you all like the experiment shots, right? And we keep on coming with more like them. Nice. First time, yeah, it took some time for the image to come.
Of you.
That's okay, I understand. Saksham, I'm not sure.
I have a happy number.
I think you are coming from
kids
movies.
Got this right.
Nice. Whoa. 105, huh?
Yeah. So I think till now, by far this is the highest.
Nice.
But लगता है question number 6 में हम 106 हो जाएगा. Let's see.
Let's see the physics question then.
Hoping for that.
Ooh, this is a good question. If the rays of ध्यान से देना answer, ठीक है? If the rays of light enter and leave as shown, which of the following optical instruments could be behind the curtain? This is kind of a good question. I mean, I like this question. Not easy, not difficult. You just have to be careful. Just think of all the knowledge you have regarding light, and no answering in the chat.
Hey, that's okay if you're joining late. But this, I think for the unit test, please try that you're there well before we start with the session. Log in करके आराम से, because that's how we are going to calculate your score. Cumulative हो जाएगा towards the end. That's okay if you've joined right now. But yes, definitely try to be on time.
Easy, right? Let's see. Whoa,
91.
Nice. 91, not bad, huh?
Well
yes,
done.
Very good. So, why it was glass slab? See, if it was supposed to be a mirror or lens, right? A spherical mirror or a spherical lens, it would have not gone just parallel to the incident rays, right? But who can do this? Only glass slabs. So there was, if you notice, there was only lateral displacements. Rest, everything was parallel, right? The angle between incident and emerging rays, it was 0. That's why. है ना? Easy question. Lateral displacement was only thing which you can observe. Otherwise, both were parallel. That's why, है ना? Nice, very good. कोई नहीं Shafi, you are not late. You have just missed 4 questions, right? It's okay. Correct. So that's the beauty of light, I would say. सक्षम बच्चे, मैं समझ गया. I'll cross check once.
सर एक बार एड्रेस कर दो सक्षम का कमेंट.
Yes.
Great, so Charvi's there at the top now. We've got Dimple, Abhinav, Alisha, Tanvi, Siddharth, Rohan, Rishi, Aisha, Ashima. बहुत सारे new names आ रहे हैं. So
Nice,
this is
nice.
the best part. After every two questions, it's changing completely.
Nice, very good, very good. Keep up the spirit of this Menti challenge, and yes, scoreboard will keep on changing, है ना? You have to be consistent if you want to stay on the scoreboard.
Yes, and
it's okay.
even if you're not there on the board and if you're improving your rank, that's equally good. So just keep noting what your rank is and keep improving, okay? All right. Question number 7, chemistry question. Let's see, chemical reaction se kya next question hai for all of you. Which of the following reactions is not an engine? Photosynthesis, selects of water, decomposition of calcium carbonate, or respiration. You have to figure out which is not an endothermic reaction. So if you know what is an endothermic reaction, reverse that and you will arrive at the answer. So this time I did not give any hint.
Yeah.
I just read the
I'm
question.
confused in 2 options. Rest though, I'm also sure.
I'm just almost about to prompt the answer, but I've stopped myself.
Yes. Devendra, hold your horses.
Yes.
People, संभालो अपने आप को. Guys, hold on. A, B, C, D नहीं करना है चैट में.
सर आपके 2 गेसेस क्या थे?
मैं B और D में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था. I don't know why.
Even in the chat. Yes, so the correct answer is respiration. Endothermic means heat is needed, heat is required, heat is entering. E-N-D-O, endo, E-N-T-E-R, entering. Exo means it's exiting. That's how we remember this, right? So not endothermic means it's exothermic. During respiration, heat is being given out. And that was the correct answer.
जल्दी में गड़बड़. हाँ, it's okay.
You got confused between.
Hurry is one enemy. Misclicks will happen to everyone. That's okay, है ना? And second thing is, just focus on, are you able to learn something new? Whatever mistake you did today, it's a good thing. जितना गलती करना कर दो यार आज, है ना? So that's why these tests are made for you so that you make mistake.
So I think let's quickly take one question from the chat. Ankit is saying he's in grade 10 and should he study for boards or foundation because his aim is NTSE.
Nice. So Ankit, I would say first of all, just stop thinking of these 3 different lines. Even if you study for boards, foundation, NTSE, see, you are learning concepts, right? It's not something NTSE कुछ और ही पढ़ाता है या foundation कुछ और ही पढ़ाता है. First of all, look at your level. Are you able to understand everything of the boards clearly? बहुत अच्छे. थोड़ा सा ऊपर है foundation, is just little bit plus. So if your boards are okay, then look for foundation also. But don't do it just because of everybody is doing foundation, you also want to do foundation. ऐसा मत करना.
I think that's a great advice, and moreover, boards is like the foundation of any other course. So foundation का खुद foundation board है. So that is definitely, you have to be very, very, thorough with the board syllabus for sure. Chalo, question number 8, chemistry question on your screens now. Physics,
Yes.
physics.
Physics question. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. What is the position of object with respect to lens? I hope you have your pen and notebook with you, because थोड़ा दिक्कत होगा उसके बिना. And people, no answering.
We keep telling them. Vansh is saying that he just finished his trial class and he really enjoyed the class. It was being explained to him beautifully, and this means a lot to us. Thank you for mentioning it over here, Vansh.
Yeah, nice. Thank you, Manjeet. It means a lot when we hear such, kind words. Nice. People, no answering. अरे मत आंसर करो, मेरे को ब्लॉक करना पड़ जाएगा यार तुम्हारा अकाउंट. Please hold on, है ना?
Only word allowed is done.
हाँ, done, emojis, show off. Bhai, it's a test. If you answer over here, no, even right or wrong, other people get influenced, no. That's why we have to come. If you are very good, come in leaderboards. That's okay. Make it a surprise, है ना?
49 of them marked option B minus 30 centimeter. That's the correct answer.
So, why? I think, what is option A? Is it plus 30?
Plus 30 centimeter is option A, minus 30 centimeter option B.
Sign mistake, huh? See, 30, I think, if I can combine option A and option B, both of you, you all reach to 30. That is fine. Okay. कितने लोगों ने formula गलत लगाया? पहले मेरे को ये बताओ. How many of you use the formula wrong? It is a lens. You will use lens formula. There is only one small thing change with mirror and lens formula. It is plus and minus. In lens it is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. In mirror it is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equals 1 upon F. है ना? Right? So people answer, अच्छा, oh, you are not on Menti right now. So people who are answering over here, no, just join Menti. It's a platform, right? On the browser, go to www.menti.com, menti.com, and there I'll give you a code, and ma'am will give you a code. Use that code, and you will join this quiz live over there. You can answer everything, है ना? So yes, तुक्का लगाया. अरे तुक्का
code is 85131896. Quickly join in, guys. It's okay.
85131896. Use plus, है ना, Adarsh? So that's why. Sign convention mein you are all sure. See, it's a concave lens, right? Concave lens has focal length which is negative, right? So that's why. हाँ, सीधा Menti लिखो तब भी हो जाएगा. So that's why the answer was minus 30. Nice, very good, very good.
Okay, so yes, you can have a look at the leaderboard, the scoreboard. It has changed a bit. We have some fresh names. We have some names are still there. So well done. Keep it up, guys. Yes, Rohan. Good. Rohan is
very good.
Feeling confident right now.
Yes. Nice. Very good. Very good, people. कोई नहीं. ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. Just put all your energy on Menti. है ना?
Individually, just keep checking whether you know all the questions or not, whether you know the answers to maybe the physics one, the chemistry one, and if you don't, keep noting that down as well. Okay. I'll say it's a cute question. The potato chip manufacturers use which gas to prevent the chips from getting spoiled? Hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, or oxygen? Which gas is being used?
I don't know, people, you know this or not, but you know what? In physics session also, we have talked about this. At least not in light, but in atmospheric pressure session, if anyone has watched that one. Easy.
So it goes without saying that Saurabh sir knows the answer.
Yes, I know the answer. People answer on Menti, not on chat.
Answer. They think I'm going like a wave, kabhi idhar, kabhi udhar. 105 kids, well done. 105 of you got the answer right. That was nitrogen. Yes. Yes, correct. So nitrogen, it's inert, right? It acts as an antioxidant that's being added to potato chips. And you know the process that it's trying to... Rancidity. Yes. Correct. Easiest question I've seen in my life. मतलब तो declare हो गया easiest question.
Yes, people don't give answer because the moderators are starting to block the accounts. Hai? Please don't answer over here. Go to menti.com and answer over there. And yes, Suman, I saw your comment. I'll explain you the glass question in between this one. Chalo, let's see. Image-based question. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror between its focus and center of curvature as shown. Where will the image be formed? Class 10th mein, I understand all of you will give the correct answer. Rest of you can try your luck. Right, come on, tell me. Archit, dost. And I don't know, people, if you know this, if you are timed out more than 10 times, now the account gets blocked. So make sure that you don't do it.
I think deciding the position is the easiest in this. Signs are a bit difficult. Position wala easy hai.
Yes, nice. They were all the best.
Yes, beyond C. Correct.
C
94 kids got this one right. So बहुत अच्छी बात है. Yes.
Nice, very good. Easy question, right? It's just one of the case of concave mirrors, right? If you have a concave mirror and you put an object between focals and the center of curvature, what happens? The image is formed beyond C. This is what happens. No, you keep on bringing the object closer to mirror till focus, and the image keeps on going back, and keeps on getting bigger and bigger. That's true. Itna hi hai na? Yes. Correct. Easy. Nice. अच्छा, ओ आंसर नहीं पता अर्चित को. कोई नहीं अर्चित, आप तुक्का मारो और उसके बाद just have a thing if your tukka was right or not wrong. That's fine.
Okay, so the scoreboard is right in front of you. Tanvi, Charvi, Alisha, Rohan, Siddharth, Satvika, Nirupam, Kunal, Abhinav, Riya. Good going, guys. A lot of new names are there.
Yes.
Increase to decrease. Okay.
Nice. Correct.
Fun fact,
Anand,
tomorrow
that's
is
true.
19th. Is your rank also 19th? Okay. Still fourth.
Nice.
Rohan is there. They are on the scoreboard at the fourth position consistently.
Nice.
बहुत
Very
बढ़िया.
good.
चलो. Good, Rishi. Good to know that. Okay, identify the reaction used in black and white photography. What do you have? You've got silver bromide and it's decomposing. Then you've got ferrous sulfate, it's also decomposing. It's also decomposing. You've got iron reacting with copper sulfate, and you can see a displacement reaction is taking place. So first just figure out composition or displacement and then figure out the rest of the part of the question, and I will not speak more because then I will probably prompt the hint. So
Yes. And by the way, we talk about this thing in physics also. Sometimes. Not here, 11th, 12th में करते हैं थोड़ा सा. Nice. Yeah, Minash, I know the answer.
yes.
See, if it is related to physics, then I might know the answer.
Good. I think whenever it crosses 100, we kind of take a sigh of relief. We smile irrespective of the question. When it crosses 100, we feel very proud and happy. So well done. 106 of you have marked silver bromide, decomposition of silver bromide. Yes. The various shades that you get, it's because of the decomposition of silver bromide. And this, definitely, that's the reason it's all done in dark room, because otherwise, silver bromide can get decomposed also.
Yes, nice.
Black and white, yes.
And real images we can see without screen, by the way. Yes, because if you are in the line of sight, if you look from here and there. So there is a nice video of magic bulb on YouTube, and also we have done this in the BYJU'S classes. So yeah, that is actually a good proof of you can see real images without a screen. All the best, Divya. Yes, nice. All right, people. Chalo, next question of physics. Come on, let's see.
Yes, they were all the best. I think everybody is wishing you in the chat box as well. Okay.
Hello people, question. What is velocity of light in the diamond if absolute refractive index of diamond is 2.5? Given speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Simple question. Basic refractive index definition you have to use, and then you will get the answer. Achha, someone was asking me, I think Suman, you were asking me the glass slab thing. See, in glass slab what happens? Light ray comes, it refracts and then comes out parallel to the incident ray, and that's why in that curtain wala question, both the rays, the emerging rays were parallel to incident rays. It's only possible with glass slab. They were only displaced, thoda sa lateral displacement tha unme, otherwise it was fine, है ना? वो account block. अर्चित दूसरा, अर्चित don't second account block ना हो जाए, I would say, है ना, so don't answer. Refraction and reflection. Reflection क्या है? Same medium में जाता है. Refraction क्या है? दूसरे medium में जाता है. Simple है ना राजकुमार? Yes, Rishi.
Amusing comments. 68 have marked option A.
एक बात बताओ, if this was so easy question, why I can see option B, C, D also there? But what is refractive index?
And
So
there was a comment कि obviously option B, ऐसा भी comment.
Yes. Right. Okay. So that's why. लेकिन पता है, if you have 20 accounts, there is one problem. Your score is getting distributed into 20 accounts. अब जब class 9th का when you will give, you will not come in one account. You will be 20 accounts. You can never reach the tops. That's why. So, people, if your refractive index is more than 1, it means it's a denser medium. The light speed will be less. No, भाई 3 से तो कम होना ही होना है. That is for sure. कितना कम हो? How much less? It will be. It's a ratio, right? So speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in medium equals refractive index. So medium you have to find. Just put it here and put the value over here. So speed of light in vacuum 3 upon 2.5. That's the answer, right? Nice. Correct, huh?
Good. You can have a look at the scoreboard, guys. Chadvi, Tanvi, Rohan, Siddharth, Satvika, Abhinav, Riya, Rimple, Ashish, Alisha. Well done, all of you. And for the ones who are not there and still improving your rank, it's equally good. Okay, last 4 questions are फटाफट से करते हैं.
Yes, come on, let's do it.
And guys, you also be all pepped up, charged up. Last 2 chemistry, last 2 physics questions. Okay, in the reaction between sulphuric acid and barium chloride solution, identify the product which forms the white precipitate. Is it barium sulfate, barium hydroxide, barium hydride, barium chloride? What is it? Come on. They've given you the hint that it's white in color. Question में given है. You just need to know the meaning of a precipitate, I think, for this question. And of course, basic equation forming skill. That's it. Verbally
Yes.
हो जाएगा.
Basic reaction. मेरे को भी आता है ये. Nice. I feel good coming in these sessions. You know, sometimes, oh, you feel good when you don't know something. Oh, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ ये.
We kind of go back to grade 10 science.
Yes.
हाँ याद है.
Yeah, Medansh, I also know. See, look at me. Even if I know, I'm not telling you. That's how you should be. Correct, Rohan.
So good, barium sulfate is the correct answer, and 101 of you got the answer right. And yes, we are smiling because it's more than 100 kids. So sulphuric acid, sulfate वहाँ से इन्हों में pick हुआ, barium chloride, barium वहाँ से just combine, right? Barium sulfate, precipitate, by the way, it means residue, the insoluble residue that's there, that's a precipitate. So it will not be dissolved, it will settle down at the bottom, and that's how we know the color. Dissolve हो जाएगा तो how will we know the color? Isn't it? Alright, chalo. Over to the physics question.
Yes. See, it's English only we are talking in. And Divyansh, sometimes confusions happen. It's okay, na? Be subtle. Alright, people, come on, physics question. When an object is placed in front of a concave mirror, an image of height 5 centimeters is formed. The height of the object is 10 centimeters. Find the magnification. So I'm telling you, I'm thinking you will make mistake in this question. And when I say this, means it's not
So
a
the
hint.
best part is the 4 options.
Yes.
जो 4 options है वो सबसे बढ़िया है, because from the number to the sign.
Even if you want to
Best
go
four
for a
option.
tukka, even if you want to go for a hit and trial thing, then also you'll be confused. अरे मैं divide करूँ क्या करूँ?
Yeah, we've made the hit and trial difficult for you for this one. So इसमें इनका next answer network issue ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि
Nice. So I'm really glad to see the majority of you answering correctly. How many are there?
47 of them got the answer right.
47. Okay. Acha, how many of you could understand this using the language? K, when an image is placed in front of a concave mirror, an image of height 5 centimeters is formed. Okay. And object is 10. How do you know it's going to be an inverted image? Do you know that? You know, right? Right? Very good, Tanishka. Nice. Sheetal, very good. Nice. It'll be real and inverted. Bhai, there is only one way a concave mirror can form a virtual image. It's going to be magnified. It's going to be virtual, erect and magnified. But this image is diminished, smaller than the object. It will be real only, no? It will be real and inverted. If it is inverted, means height of image is below, negative. Height of object is up, positive. So negative upon positive becomes negative. That is why minus, 0.5. Magnification क्या होता है? Height of image upon height of object. That's it with sign convention, है ना?
They are saying you guys played with us. This question.
I told you this. Genuinely there was a word real before in this question. I got it removed because we want to test you also, na?
Yes, we can see the staircase, but we don't want the staircase. We want the pole single. All answers right. Like everybody getting the same answer right. Okay, the leaderboard is right in front of you. Siddharth, Satvika, Abhinav, Riya, Dimple, Charvi, Tanvi, Ashish, Alisha, Rohan. बहुत ही बढ़िया. The leaderboard load करते time because it just changes. It's so dynamic. I think it keeps you people also on the toes.
And don't worry, Divyansh, it's okay. You feel bio is difficult, but you know what? If you are regular in Ankita ma'am and Aishwarya ma'am's class, I feel it should not be, because see, I have also watched those classes. They are pretty good, and the way ma'am explains. Ankit, I'll answer this question in the end. Okay, let's finish it first.
All right. Question, guys. Chalo, jaldi se, fatafat se, back with all the energy that you have. 100 plus kids have to get this one right. Which of the following is our double displacement reactions? So you can see 4 chemical reactions in front of you. In which case or cases double displacement is taking place? Is it first and fourth reaction? So you can see lead plus copper chloride. You can see sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. You can see carbon combining with oxygen. You can see methane plus oxygen. 4 options are there. 1 and 4, only 2, 1 and 3, 3 and 4. Come on. You should know what is double displacement to answer this one.
Yes.
And we've done the types, right? I think the name is self-explanatory if we don't understand it.
So I think it's a mixture. It's not a difficult question. The question is easy. It's just along with options, you might have to be careful.
Yes.
Nice.
So 86 of them have marked the second one. That was actually double displacement. So in double displacement, all you had to check was whether exchange of ions is taking place or not. So there's only one reaction in which this was happening. Misclick, 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 a lot of misclick. Yes, in this question I can completely buy this ki ho sakta tha.
Nice. Rohan has given a good example.
Rohan? Yes, correct.
Siddesh,
Good.
I would say
that
for
is the general
everyone.
representation.
CBSE is the major chunk over there, but it's for everyone. Anybody who wants to learn and test the concepts, you should attend it.
Last question of
Chalo,
the session.
last question.
Come on, guys.
And people don't know answering on the chat. I know. कोई फंस जाता है, कोई पकड़ा जाता है. So just don't answer. If convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter, listen carefully. If convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter and concave lens of focal length 40 centimeter are combined together, what will be the power of the combination of lens? Use your pen, use your notebook. हवा में मत करना बस.
अर्चित सिंह, खाली मेरे comments क्यों block हो रहे हैं? बाकी सब भी तो answer दे रहे हैं.
That's why I'm saying nobody answers. See, it's more like a, what do I say? वो नहीं मच्छी पकड़ी जाती है. So sometimes जाल में कोई मच्छी आ जाती है, कोई नहीं आती. But हाँ, if you know you are doing something wrong, means someday you will get caught. है ना? जैसे बिना हेलमेट के चलते हैं तो कभी तो पकड़े जाएंगे ना, पुलिस वाला पकड़ेगा. So that's how.
Hey Dharani, please stay with us, stay connected, keep watching all the sessions, and within a span of 10 days, you'll definitely fall in love with the subject. 32. So this was, I think, a bit confusing question. 32.
How many of you did, first of all, so there are 2 things you might have been wrong with. First is calculation mistake. Second is sign mistake. You did B, huh?
Yes, because I think सारे options बहुत close है. 32 have marked option A, 39 option B, 25 of them marked option C. So very close.
See, I'll tell you first of all, just understand this. First of all, choose a proper sign convention for the focal length. It's a convex lens. Focal length will be positive because it is to the right. Second is concave lens. Its focal length going to be negative because it is to the left. Okay, so you got plus 20 and minus 40. All right. Now what happens? Either you go for 100 upon focal length in centimeters, or you go upon 1 upon focal length in meters. Doesn't matter, right? So 100 upon plus 20. So for convex lens, how much you will got? You will get plus 5. For concave lens, you will get minus 2.5, right? So overall, what is it that you are getting? Plus only, no? That's why, na? Nice. So people, focus, no answering on the chat, and keep learning. I would say it's okay if you make mistakes. Who wins, who loses doesn't matter. What matters is, are you learning something? Are you making mistake? And are you analyzing your mistake? I should work on formulas. I should work on calculation mistakes. I should work on what? Right? So I think that is more important. What do you think?
Absolutely. That is the main take of sessions, that it's, the game is there, the fun part is there, but the learning part also needs to be there. That is what is going to make the session complete. So I'll quickly load the leaderboard, but before that I want all of you to quickly hit the like button if you've liked the set of questions that we've come up with. Fatafat say like button hit kar do for this session, and then let's load the leaderboard. Yes, good all of you.
Yes, correct. What matters is improving yourself. Nice, Innovative 26. So
Yes,
the final
thank you for being
leaderboard.
there. Siddharth, well done.
Very
He's
good,
got a bit
very
of
good
Ashima
everyone. Very good,
Satyakal.
Siddharth.
Good, Riya, Dimple, Ashish, Tanvi, Alisha, Pianshu, all of you, well done. It was so amazing. I think the session went really well. And yes, we've got you covered. We'll be back with a lot of interesting Menti quiz sessions also for all of you, because the unit test league is going on. We'll make sure कि बहुत अच्छे से practice हो. Good confusing questions लाएंगे अच्छे से. So that you master it before you actually go and give your school exam.
And you have pair of linear equations in two variables, July 19th, right? On Tuesday at 6 p.m. So please make sure you are there. Don't miss sessions of Unit Test League. And Ankit, I would say, make sure your foundation is strong. The foundation batch, I would say. And then if you feel your foundation is also good, then go for class 11 vectors and 3D and everything. Okay. Yes, people, this you already know. Make sure you try it out if you haven't tried it. थोड़ा पैसा लगेगा, but एक session तो कर लो कम से कम. And make sure you like, share and subscribe to us, and you are a part of Telegram channel. Because you know what? We give you all important stuff in Telegram channel, right? It's not a fun kind of channel. You get everything which is important and what matters to you.
It's a filtered way of getting everything important. So join us, connect with us there also. And by the way, we go live there as well now. So yes, definitely connect with us on Telegram. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, share the knowledge, the questions, everything, and subscribe. Very important. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon. And yes, stay with us. And we'll make sure that you keep working hard.
Yes. Thank you everyone. And Ankit, class 10 foundation, if you feel you are good, then go for 11 basics. Okay? Yes, thank you people. It means a lot you joined us, and you know what, we'll meet again at the next session. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Bye ma'am.
Bye-bye guys.